Hello guys, this is RN Gupta and I'm from the chemistry department of IIT Kharagpur. And today I'm going to show you two projects, one in the Proteus demonstration software and other in the Node-RED software, which is a part of the Node.js project. In the Proteus software, I'm going to show you open loop control for DC motor using Arduino in the Proteus 8 software, for which the assembly can be seen as over here. We will be writing code to control this motor, which can be seen over here. The code can be seen over here. The voltage supplied to the motor is calculated as 5 times PWM by 255, where 5 volt is the maximum amount of voltage given in the output, and the code can be seen as over here. Now let us run the simulation. As you can see, the first motor has started operating and it is gathering speed. So right now the voltage that will be supplied to this motor will be 5 times 200 by 255, since the PWM value is 200. As you can see, the motor is gathering speed. The motor speed has now around about stabilized around 34 RPM. So this amount of speed has been stabilized for PWM value of 200. Now we will stop the simulation and try for another value of PWM. Let's set it to 100. So ideally, the motor will run at about half the speed of the previous case. But due to some internal factors present in the motor, we will not be observing so. As you can see, again the motor is gathering speed. The motor has now nearly stabilized around 9 RPMs, which isn't exactly as we expected for an ideal case. This is due to the external factors and the internal factors related to the motor. So this is how the code helped us execute this motor and run it for different values of PWM. Here we are with the Node-RED software, where we are going to create some graphic flows with the help of this Node-RED software, which is derived from the Node.js software. Over here you can see two things. One is a water level controller and the second is a gas pressure controller. In the water level controller, we set the range from 0 to 100 in steps of 1, and the water level in centimeter was represented by a gauge. The various tabs over here were taken from the dashboard palette of Node-RED. The slider, gauge and chart palette were taken from the Node-RED palettes. The gas pressure controller was set from 0 to 50 bar in steps of 1, and the bar chart displayed gas pressure in bar. Now we are going to deploy our flows. As you can see, the flow got deployed successfully. To see whether it is working successfully or not, we will open the UI interface in another tab to open the Node-RED dashboard. The water level controller shows us as we are changing the slider reading, the color is changing and the reading is changing. Over here we are giving the input, but actually the input will be obtained from the various sensors used. Similarly, the gas pressure controller can be seen. Thanks for watching.